Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi Keisha, welcome to the class.
Hai, Miss.
Not Keisha. Today your name is Yellow. Hello, Yellow. Dream, dream. So tell me, what did you do today, Keisha, at school? Practice for the graduation.
Yes,
How long has it been now? 1 week? 2 weeks?
2 weeks.
2 weeks. Are you going to do something for the graduation?
Sing some songs.
Sing some songs. Anything else besides that? Like probably a drama or something? No?
Someone said there's a drama, but I don't know.
Oh, probably. Oh, uh, is that only your class that sings songs or the whole sixth graders?
The whole sixth graders.
I see.
Good evening, Miss.
Good evening, Selo. Hello, welcome to the class. Hmm. So, Keisha has sent her picture of the Echo Town. How about you, Selo? Have you got your Echo Town picture? Have you got?
Yes, Miss.
Have you made? When I say have you got, it seems like you took from the internet only. So, Selo, if you are drawing it with pen and pencil, take a photo and send it to the group.
Yes, Miss.
Hmm. Okay, so let me share the. Okay, this is Keisha's. So Keisha, later on, oh yeah, this is for not only Keisha, but for Cello too. Later on, you will have 4 minutes to present your Echo Town. Okay. It seems short, but then when you do the presentation for 4 minutes, sometimes, not sometimes, most learners speak too fast. So they go like this. In my ecotown, there are solar panels. So the solar panels, because blah, 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 blah. In my ecotown, there will be wind turbines because blah, 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 blah. And then after 1 minute, what else do I have to talk about my picture? So it happens a lot because you speak too fast, because learners speak too fast. Okay. Hi, Aulia. Welcome to the class.
Assalamualaikum, Miss.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so what I need to remind you is to speak not slowly, but not quickly either. So you can do your presentation somewhere in this speed. Good evening, everyone. My name is Selo. This is my Echotown picture. Eh, hang on. Where is Selo's Echotown picture? Wait, wait, wait. Why can I not see it? Oh, I have. Oh, okay, hang on. Wait. Mm, got it. I need to rotate Celo's picture. This is my Echotown picture. In my Echotown, there are solar panels because blah, 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 blah. In my eco town, there will be wind turbines. Because, okay, so not too fast, but not too slow either. So not something like, in my eco town, there will be and you think there will be what is this name? Yeah, wind turbines. Okay, so think about what you want to say. You can even write a script. Have you written a script for your presentation? Keisha, Celo, and Aulia? Has anybody written a script for the presentation? Guys, ada yang sudah bikin naskah untuk presentasinya? No, not yet. Okay, so while we're waiting for Labibah and Aira, let's try creating a script for your presentation. Okay, if you take a look at the chat group, everyone please check the chat group. I've given you the example of sentences there. Okay, now if you can say one sentence in about 20 seconds, okay, if the sentence, you need to try, by the way, write one sentence and check how long you actually say the sentence. If you say the sentence in, say, 20 seconds, kalau satu kalimat kalian butuh waktu 20 detik, it means that for 4-minute presentation, you will need about 12 sentences. Kurang lebih 12 kalimat. Okay? For a 4-minute presentation. Each of you will have 4 minutes to present, and then you will have a Q&A session. Setelah presentasi, nanti ada sesi tanya jawab. Okay? Your points, your daily score. We have daily score, right? Your daily score today is not only from your presentation, but also from questions you ask to your classmates. Jadi nilai harian kalian selain dari presentasi juga dari pertanyaan yang kalian berikan kepada temannya. So make sure you ask questions after your friends present their ecotown. Oh, by the way, Celo is also wearing yellow. Oh, you! So many is wearing yellow today. Keisha is yellow. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Aira is also wearing yellow. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Puh! Oh no. Because Celo is wearing yellow. Keisha is wearing, oh, Aira is drinking yellow. Okay. Aira, let me repeat it. Okay. So today you're going to have your presentation, right? Each person will have 4 minutes to present. Okay. Like I said, I've already given the example of sentences that you can make for your presentation. Practice one sentence. Latihan dulu satu kata, satu kalimat. If one sentence can be said in 20 seconds, jika kalian sanggup mengucapkan kalimat satu itu dalam 20 detik, it means that in 4 minutes, you need about 12 sentences. Berarti dalam 4 menit kalian butuh sekitar 12 kalimat. Okay? Prepare the sentences. We will have the presentation about 6:40. So we still have 30 minutes. You still have 30 minutes to create your sentences for the presentation.
I'm done, Miss.
Oh, you're done. Okay. Remember also, you need to greet first. The first thing that you need to do to open a presentation is with a greeting. It can be good evening or assalamualaikum or whatever greetings that you like. Um, Hello everybody. It's okay. Yeah. And then after that, you need to introduce your name. So first, greetings, hello, good evening, and so on. Okay, up to you. You get to choose. Like, oh yeah, Aira practice. Aira learns public speaking. Let's ask Aira. Aira, please help your classmates. After greetings, what else do you have to say for a presentation?
Hmm, perkenalan gitu.
In English, what is perkenalan in English?
Hmm,
Introduce.
introduce ourselves.
Introduce yourself. For example, name and then class, a level, city, because you are from different city. So you can also do that. My name is Aulia. I'm from Gale 5B2. I'm from Lampung. Okay, so there you go. After that, what do we do, Aira?
Um, say the presentation.
There you go. Introduce the topic of presentation. Introduce the topic. For example, today I'd like to present my town. Maybe you have a name for your eco town. For example, today I'd like to present my eco town. I name the eco town, this is for example, Celo. I name the eco town Celo Yellow Hello. Maybe, I don't know, okay? Up to you. Or if you don't name the eco town, it's also okay. Yeah. After introducing the topic, what else do we do, Aira?
Presentation.
The presentation. Correct. Okay. So the presentation itself. Okay. You can talk about in my eco town, there will be, there won't be, uh, it will have, it won't have, and so on. Talk about the eco town. Also remember, you've made pictures. So try to point your pictures when you present. So for example, like this. Eh, this is for example, Aira. Okay. And uh hang on a second. I'll look up the annotate. And then we have this one, spotlight. Okay. Look, spotlight is like this. I'm so sorry. Hang on. Where is that anyway? Mm, wait. I'm sure there's. Uh, oh yeah, this is true. Okay. Can you see the red circle on Ira's picture? Can you
Yes.
see? So you can use spotlight. Spotlight is I'm not sure about phone, but if you check your laptop or PC, you will find it in the annotate. So after annotate, check spotlight. In my echo town, there will be in my echo town there will be wind turbines because the wind turbines will change the wind power into electricity. The electricity will be used by people, for example. Okay? So you also point the pictures. Gambarnya jangan lupa ditunjuk-tunjuk. Percuma udah bikin gambar kalau nggak ditunjuk-tunjuk selama presentasi. Oke? Okay? Okay, so we have introduce yourself, greetings, introduce yourself, introduce the topic, the presentation. After that, what is the last part, Aira?
Closing.
Closing, thank you. Closing. How do we say the closing anyway?
Thank you for your attention.
Thank you for your attention, or thank you for listening to my presentation. Listening to my presentation. Oh, after that, the one of the most important part. The Q&A session. Do you have any questions? I'd be glad to answer them. Okay. Do you have any questions? I'd be glad to answer them. Okay. Aira, as I've mentioned earlier to your classmates, your daily score today is not only about presenting your EcoTown. You will also be graded for the questions you asked to your classmates. Okay, so for example, you ask Keisha, you ask Aulia, you ask Celo, so you have 3 points. Oh, Miss, I asked Aulia 2 questions. Oh, then it's 4 points. Okay, so for each question to your classmate, you get extra 1 point. Okay. There you go. Where is Labiba, by the way? Labiba is not coming or what? Okay. Oh, I need to make it bigger. Train, 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 train. Ah, there we go.
Miss, I didn't see the spotlight in my laptop.
Yo, oh, you can use the regular annotation then. Something like this. So in my eco-town, there are wind turbines. Just use something like this. It's okay. Okay.
Okay.
And there are in my eco-town, there will be. Oh, we are using. Oh yeah, this is what you need to remember. Our grammar is using will and won't. So please use will or won't. Okay. Oh, Aira, don't speak too fast. You have 4 minutes to present. Usually it's Aira who speaks too fast. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everybody, my name is Aira. Today I would like to calm down a little bit slower. Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, everybody. My name is Aira. Selo, have you got your script?
Oh, done.
Not yet. Let's go. Let's try and write the script. Miss, jadi nanti aku tuh baca ceritanya, baca naskah. Yes, but remember, you still have to make eye contact with the camera. Yang namanya presentasi, sah-sah aja bikin transkrip. Sah-sah aja bikin naskah. Okay, but what you need to remember is to make eye contact when you do the presentation. Nah, ini kalau kayak model Aira sekarang nih nggak boleh nih presentasi. Aira tuh baca, beda. Okay, so presentation is like this. This is the script, or maybe this is the script, and you look at the camera. Good evening, everybody. My name is Tati Siregar. Okay. Do I need to remember the script, Miss? Apakah naskahnya harus dihafalin? Not really. Enggak juga. You don't have to remember the script. But you need to read less of the script. Tapi naskahnya bacanya sedikit-sedikit aja. Banyakan matanya ke arah kamera. The most common problem with presenting is we didn't prepare enough. Kebanyakan kesalahan kita ketika mau presentasi, kita tidak cukup latihan dan tidak cukup persiapannya. You have 18 more minutes before we start the presentation. Anybody wants to be number one? Aira, Miss. Oh no. Aira, can you send your sentences to me privately?
Okay.
So I can check. Others, you too. If you have finished making your sentences for the presentation, you can send them to me privately so I can check. Maybe you need to change. Hang on. Aira, how about the first one? You didn't say the reason. Why sidewalks, wind turbines, and so on. You can add the reason there. Also in the second one. Oh, already second one because, sorry. Number one, 2, 3, 4. Number 4, Ira. Polluted city because it. So not they. Oh, you want to say the people? It's okay. But if you don't use the people, you can use it. Oh, number 5. Not will be bike paths, will have bike paths. You wait, hang on. My ekotan will have blah blah blah. In my ekotan, why is the ekotownku? The ekotownku. There are two in my ekotown. Number five, number one, two, three, four, five. Number five, Aira. You have two ekotowns. Hmm? Yo, Aulia, you didn't add the why. The example mentions because blah 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 blah. Okay, so please add the because to your sentences. Okay, this one is downtown is correct. Because is the same as for. Okay. Why solar panels? Why a lot of trees? Yeah. What's that? Speaking of trams, yeah, hang on. We have 13 more minutes for the cannot. What is going on? Aira, you haven't changed that. Not will be bike paths, will have bike paths. Aulia, wind turbines with S. You have more than one, right? Let me check the picture. Yep, more than one wind turbines. So Bicycles, again, SS. Aulia. So wind turbines, bicycles, playgrounds with S also, bike paths, okay. Check this one out. So my friend just went to Vienna. She lives in Slovenia, but she just went to Vienna and she shared some pictures of Vienna. Oh, Vienna and Graz, sorry. So this is the many trams they have in Vienna and Graz. This is in Vienna. And as you can see, this is two more from Graz. There you go. So these are what trams in Austria look like. Take a look at the park. So as you can see, the park is huge. It's a garden actually, and this is a palace. There you go. This is inside the palace. They still have a horse carriage for tourists.
Hey, sorry, I'm late.
Hi, Labiba. Welcome to the class. What's going on? Why are you so late?
Because can I speak Indonesian?
What is it?
Because lagi habis pulang sekolah.
Baru pulang sekolah. Oh, I see. How about your presentation? Did you do it during the weekend?
Yes.
Can you send the pictures? The picture, only one picture. Okay, so I can share it later with your class while you're doing the presentation. Okay, so far we have this one is Aira, Aulia, Keisha, Cello, and we haven't got yours. Oh yeah, Labiba, let me explain again because you weren't here when I explained it. So for the presentation, each person will have 4 minutes to do their presentation. Okay, so if in 4 minutes you finish early, the time will still take until 4 minutes are over. Jika kalian misalnya 2,5 menit aja udah selesai, waktunya akan tetap jalan 4 menit. So, there will be silent moments. Nah, itu yang tidak kita inginkan. Ada waktu hening bermenit-menit. Okay, so if you can, prepare your presentation for 4 minutes. I have sent the sample sentences in the chat group. If you think you can read one sentence in 20 seconds, kalau satu kalimat bisa dibaca dalam waktu 20 detik, it means that you need about 10 or probably 12 sentences for 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Okay. Alia just sent her edited. Got it. What else do I want to say? Oh yeah, your daily score will also be added with questions you ask to your classmates. Okay. Nilai harian kalian hari ini bukan hanya dari presentasinya, tapi juga dari pertanyaan yang kalian tanyakan ke teman sekelasnya. One question will give extra 1 point for you. The presentation should start with, I need to, okay, let me resend it for Labiba. So the presentation should start with greetings. And then you need to introduce your name, introduce yourself, sorry. After that, you need to introduce the topic. After you introduce the topic, you do the presentation. You talk about your ecotown. Remember to use your picture to explain about your ecotown, okay? Jadi gambarnya dipakai buat nerangin ecotownnya, jangan cuma dianggurin aja, ditunjuk-tunjuk. For example, in my ecotown there will be wind turbines and solar panel. Tetap ditunjuk-tunjuk, okay? After the presentation, you need to do the closing. Thank you for your attention, everybody. And after that, you can start the Q&A session. Do you have any questions? I'd be glad to answer them. We will start the first presentation in 3 minutes. Who wants to be the first one to present? Nobody. Still nobody. Habiba, you haven't sent us your picture. Oh yeah, when you present, make sure that you are not too fast and not too slow. So this speed is fine. Don't go, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everybody, my name is Keisha. Today I'm going to present my... That's too fast. Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everybody, my name is Keisha. By the way, I got so fed up with this Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kenapa nadanya harus gitu sih? You don't have to say Assalamualaikum like that. You can say Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay. We are going to go to our last one. Habiba, your picture. You haven't sent your picture? Please send it to the group. Tring. Okay, let's start. The last time I asked, does anybody want to be the first presenter? Okay. If you answer this question, you get to choose. Uh, mm, okay. What's your full name?
My full name is Aya.
What? Sorry?
Can you
Yeah.
repeat again?
What's your full name?
My full name is Audrey Humaira.
Audrey Humaira, do you want to be number 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5?
Number 2.
Number 2. Okay, Aira is number 2. Uh, Next question. How old are you?
I'm 12 years old.
12 years old. Keisha, do you want to be number 1, 3, 4, or 5?
3.
3. Keisha is number 3. The next question. What's my favorite color?
My favorite color is pink.
What's my favorite color? Oh, Laviva, not your favorite color, my favorite color.
Your favorite color is black.
Black. So sorry.
Yellow.
Yeah, okay. Yellow. Go ahead, Cello. What number do you want to be? 1, 4, or 5?
5.
Oh, Cello is number 5. Okay, Cello is number 5. This is between Aulia and Labiba, okay? Hmm. Ding, 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 ding. Where do you live?
I live in Lampung.
I live in Lampung. Aulia, number 1 or number 4?
4.
Number 4. Okay, so Labiba will be number 1. Aulia, number 4. Okay. Hang on a second. Okay, there you go. Labiba, where's your picture? I haven't got your picture. How am I going to show the picture?
I cannot show my picture in WhatsApp, miss.
So, can you share your screen then? Because if you don't share it on WhatsApp, it means that you have to share through screen sharing. Can you do it? Okay, go ahead. Please share your picture first on Zoom. It's still not on Zoom, Labiba. Screen sharing, share your screen so we can see the picture.
Can I speak Indonesian, Miss?
Okay, what is it?
Aku boleh ganti ke tablet yang satunya lagi nggak, Miss?
It's
Karena
okay.
di sini nggak bisa.
Okay, go ahead then. See, this is one of the reasons we need to prepare before the actual presentation. That's why I asked you all to send your picture before the class. So technical glitches like this can happen. Uh, Kesalahan teknis seperti yang dialami Labibah bisa aja terjadi. Jadi makanya kita harus persiapkan lebih. Apalagi especially for online presentation. Okay. Let's hope Labibah can share the picture with us. Yo, Labibah, I mean like screen sharing. Can you screen share your picture?
Wait, Miss. Bentar.
Labibah, where there you go. Okay. You need to click the present button, Labibah. Tampilkan. At the top, next to bagikan. Aha, there you go. Tampilkan layar penuh. Okay, ready, Labibah? You have 4 minutes to do the presentation. You can see the time on my screen. Okay. You may start.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
My name is Labibah. I will presentation about my account. My account will have site work because provide a safe path of pedestrians. My account won't have pollution because that are healthy. My account will be beautiful because not air pollution. My account won't be dirty because my account won't be dirty because clean is maintained. There will be bed in my ecotowns because can ride a bicycle on a self bed. There won't be tall buildings in my ecotowns because will able be can see the sky. My ecotown, the school, will be windows because we can see a view. And the building is school, store, office, and others. My family and families there will live in the house. It green ecotown. And my ecotown and my ecotown will be blue sky and there will be a tree and others.
Labiba, you need to do the closing and open the Q&A session.
Okay.
Labiba, the closing and open the Q&A session. Labiba, please do the closing and then open the Q&A session. You can check in the chat box. I already sent the weight in the chat box. Labiba, go ahead. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you for attention.
Do you have any questions?
Do you have any question?
Okay, everyone. Do you have any questions for Labiba?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead, Aulia.
Nabiba, what kind of energy source to power the town? What time? What Aulia?
Can you repeat, please?
What
Hang on, Aulia. Labiba, please say, can you repeat, please?
can you repeat, please? Labiba, what kind of energy source to power the town? Hmm, Ecotom.
What kind of energy source will power the town? Will it be the wind power or the solar panel, the solar power, or what?
Wind turbines.
Wind turbines.
Wind turbines.
Aulia, you can say thank you for the answer.
Thank you, Labiba. Welcome.
Others, do you have any questions for Labiba?
No.
No? Aira? Selo?
No.
Selo?
No.
Okay, Labiba, I have one question. How do children go to school? How will children go to school?
Children go to school with a car, with other transportation.
Oh, okay. So thank you for the answer, Labiba. Labiba, now you can close the whole thing. Thank you so much for the questions. Assalamualaikum. Up to you.
Thank you so much for the question.
Good night or assalamualaikum. Up to you.
Good night.
Good night.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, there you go. So that's the first presentation by Labiba. By the way, when Labiba shared her screen, her video was off. See, this is why, guys, this is the reason, one of the reasons I asked you to send me your picture so I can share it so you can keep your video on, okay? Usually it happens when you share your screen, the video is off, okay? Anyway, question points. Aulia got 1 point from asking the question. Thank you, Aulia. Okay. Aira, are you ready for your presentation?
Ready.
Let me share your picture first. Okay. Aira, you have 4 minutes. Start from now.
Good evening, everyone.
Good-
My name is Aira. I'm from Girl 5B2. Today, I'd like to present my eco-town. My eco-town will have sidewalks, wind turbines, solar panels, electric car, bicycles, building, houses, and trees. My eco-town won't have pollution because they use electric car. My eco-town will be clean, beautiful, and superlative because they have rubbish bin. It used to prevent rubbish scattered around. My eco-town won't be a polluted city because it uses electric car. My eco-town will be bike paths and trams because it can reduce air pollution. My eco-town won't be a city with lots of rubbish. Okay, thank you for your attention. Do you have any question? I'd be glad to answer them.
Aira, you still have 2.5 minutes.
Do you have any question?
You still have 2 minutes to present.
We should have eco town in all city. Okay, thank you for your attention. Do you have any question? I'd be glad to answer them.
Labiba, Aulia, Keisha, Selo, do you have any questions?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead, Aulia.
Ira, why the car have no special road for car?
Can you repeat again, Aulia?
Why the car have no special road for car?
Because there is a downtown. Okay, thank you for your question.
Aulia?
Thank you.
Okay. Selo, Keisha, Labiba, do you have any questions? Labiba, Keisha, Selo, do you have any questions?
No.
Labiba, do you have any questions? Labiba, do you have any questions?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead.
The tall buildings, the color is blue. What is it, Ira? It is a fish or color? Can you repeat again, Nabiba? The tall buildings, its color blue. What is it? It's a mirror. Oh, thank you.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for your
I do have
question.
I have a question, Ira. So you said these are mirrors. Why do you
Yes.
why will the buildings have mirrors?
Because they can see the city in the buildings too. transparent.
Pardon? Sorry? Can you repeat that?
Because they can view the city in the building.
Because they can view the city. Do you mean they are windows,
Yes,
glasses?
yes.
Oh, so not mirrors. Got it. Okay. Thank you, Ira, for the answers.
Okay, thank you for your question.
You may end your presentation. You may do the closing and end the presentation.
Um, okay, thank you for your attention. Thank you for listening to my presentation. Goodbye.
Good night. Okay, so there you go. So, there you go. Question points now. Aulia 2, Labibah 1. By the way, mirrors and glass are different, Ira. Mirrors are one side. Usually mirrors are one side. Satu sisi. Jadi nggak bisa ngeliat keluar. But windows
Oh.
are transparent. Okay. Mirrors are cermin. Windows are jendela. Okay. Let's go to Keisha for number 3. Keisha, are you ready for the presentation?
Yes.
This is your picture, right?
Yes.
Yes, okay. You may start your presentation now.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good
Waalaikumsalam.
evening, everyone. My name is Keisha from Gale B2. Today, I will present my eco-town. My eco-town will have solar panels because we can convert the energy from the sun into power. My eco-town will have wind turbines because we can turn the wind into electricity. My eco-town will have many trees to improve the air quality. In my eco-town, the river will be clean because we don't throw rubbish there. In my eco-town, we'll have trams because it's much faster. In my eco-town, we won't. In my eco-town, we won't have fuel cars to avoid pollution. My eco-town will be beautiful and clean because we have trash can everywhere to prevent from trash everywhere. My eco-town won't be polluted because we use electric vehicles. My eco-town will have bike path for bikers to prevent traffic. There won't be plastic because we use plastic that can be recycled. In my eco-town, when the children goes to school, they use electric bikes or cars. In my eco-town, the sky will be clear because in my eco-town, we don't have pollution. In my eco-town, we will have solar panels on every buildings. Thank you for your attention. Do you have any questions?
Aira, Selo, Labiba, Aulia, do you have any questions? Aulia, Selo, Labiba, Aira, do you have any questions?
No.
No?
No.
I have a question.
Okay, go ahead, Aira.
What type of this car?
Electric cars. Thank you for us.
Keisha, I have a question also. Okay, so you have different types of trash bins here. What are they? Why are they different colors?
Because it's for different materials and things.
I see. Got it. I suppose this green one is also for different material.
Mm, yes.
So thank you for answering the question, Keisha.
Mm, uh, Thank you for the question. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so far we have two people who presented too fast. Aira and Keisha finished before 4 minutes are over. One person, Labiba, finished too long. We need to try to manage our time better. Seharusnya kita memaksimalkan waktu 4 menit. Jadi 4 menit ya harus 4 menit pas. Misalnya kurang 10-15 detik ya nggak apa-apa lah. Tapi jangan sampai 2 menit, 2,5 menit. So, Aulia and Celo, you still have your turn. I hope you can do your best to maximize the 4 minutes. Okay? The next one is, oh yeah, by the way, question points. Here you go. Now we have Aulia 2, Labibah 1, Aira 1. Got it. We have number 4 is Aulia. Okay. Hang on, Aulia. Let me change. This is your picture, right, Aulia?
Yes.
Okay.
Hello, good evening. I'm Aulia. I'd like to present my ecotown. My ecotown will have wide and long bike paths because bikes make no noise. With good and clean sidewalks so people will walk more. A lot of trees at the site because trees make cool air and fresh. Downtown, there'll be buildings for family lives in at the upper floor, with stores, offices, and business activity at lower floor. The buildings will have solar panels at the top because if you use coal or gasoline power make air pollution. Green plants at the windows around the buildings make the air inside buildings cool. The schools also will be there. There will be also wind turbines for energy source. Transportation will be electric elevated trams around the town. because at below there are bike paths and sidewalks. People also use bicycles. There will be parks with playground at every corner of the the town so the people and children can relax and play. There won't be pollution. Thank you for listening to my presentation. Do you have any questions? I'd be glad to answer them.
Okay. Asia, Labibah, Selo, and Aira, do you have any questions?
No.
No.
Adidas.
Go ahead, Labibah.
Aulia, why is your ecotown no car? Do you have a car in your ecotown?
No,
Aulia, Labibah asks why.
Because
You
there,
asked why, right, Labibah? Why won't
yes,
be cars? So Aulia, why won't be cars? Why won't there be any cars?
no, because people use tram.
thank you.
Aulia, I have a question. Okay. You mentioned that families will live on the top floor of the buildings, right?
Yes,
Why not in the middle floor or on the first floor?
because below will be stores, schools, offices.
I see. Thank you for the answers, Aulia.
Thank you too.
There are no more questions. You can end this presentation, Aulia.
Thank you for questions. Good night.
Good night. Okay, so there you go. Question points, Aulia 2, Labibah 2, Aira 1. I thought Aulia will do it until 4 minutes, but she stopped at 1.5 minutes. Okay. Cello, your turn. Are you ready?
Ready.
Wait.
Hello, good evening,
Hang
everyone.
on, Cello. Wait. Hang on. I haven't started the timer. Okay. Ready? You may start your presentation now.
Hello, good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
My name is Hello. I'd like to present my ecotown. In my ecotown, there will be moving sidewalks, so people have their own lane. In my ecotown, there will be have wind turbine and solar panels, so that electricity doesn't run out and can used by people every day. There, in my ecotown, there will be trees and grass, so there is no pollution. In my ecotown, there won't be solar vehicles, so that air pollution does not appear. In my ecotown, there will be the school building will be made of glass, so the children can look outside. Thank you. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for listening to my presentation. Do you have any question? I'd be glad to answer them.
Aulia, Keisha, Labibah, Aira, do you have any questions? Labibah, Keisha, Aira, Aulia, do you have any questions?
No.
No.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, go ahead, Labibah.
Why pollution is not good?
Can you repeat, Labibah?
Why pollution is not good?
Cello, the question is, why is pollution not good? Cello, can you answer Labibah's question? Why is pollution not good? Cello, the question is still there. Why is pollution not good?
Because some people still use it, solar vehicles.
Thank you.
Okay.
You're
Cello?
welcome.
Cello, I have a question. You talked about buildings with glass windows so children can look outside. Why will children need to look outside? Cello, why will children need to look outside from the building?
Uh, to know condition.
Nice. Okay. Thank you for the answer, Cello.
You're welcome, Miss.
There will be no more questions, so you can end the presentation. Cello, you can end the presentation.
Uh, thank you for attention. Thank you for listening to my presentation.
Okay. So there you go. Question points, Aulia 2, Labibah 3, Aira 1. By the way, guys, nobody, tadi Miss Teti udah ingetin, gambarnya dipakai. Nggak ada yang pakai gambarnya. When you explain your picture, it will give you more time Ketika kalian pakai gambar kalian untuk menjelaskan, waktunya akan lebih lama. Let me give you an example. This is Aulia. Okay, I have Aulia's presentation here. Here, this is Aulia's, sorry, hang on. Also, when you're presenting, remember not to try and read. I mean, most of you sound like you're reading. Sebagian besar dari kalian mengucapkan kalimatnya seperti membaca. I know you are reading, and it's fine. Truly, it's fine. Boleh-boleh aja yang namanya presentasi membaca, tapi tidak kedengaran seperti membaca. So, for example, like this, okay? If you see in the chat box, I have Aulia's script. I will try and do the presentation, okay? Good evening, everyone. My name is Aulia. I'm from Gale 5B, Via Gayong Sari. Today, I'd like to present my ecotown. My ecotown will have wide and long bike paths. This is the bike path. Because bike path will be only for bikes. Bikes make no noise. With good and clean sidewalks, so people will walk more. You can see the sidewalks here. The sidewalks will be clean. And you can see people walk on the sidewalks. People will walk more on clean sidewalks. There will be a lot of trees on the side here because trees make cool air and make the air fresher. There will be trees also around, not only besides the sidewalks. Downtown, there will be buildings for family. The family will live on the upper floor. They will live here, maybe the last 2 floors, because the bottom floors will be for stores, offices, and business activity. The buildings will have solar panels at the top. Here are the solar panels. Because if buildings use coal or gasoline power, they will make air pollution. Because this is eco-town, there will be less pollution. Green plants, there will be green plants at the windows. Here is the green plant. Okay, you can see them on the windows. Green plants at the windows will make the air inside the building cool. The schools will also be there in the building. There will also be wind turbines for energy source. These are the wind turbines. Transportations will be electric elevated trams around the town. These are the trams. They will be in the sky because below there will be bike paths and sidewalks. People will also use bicycles. There'll be parks with playgrounds at every corner of the town. You can see the parks here. There will be trees in the park too. Children will play in the parks, and people will relax and play also. This will be an eco town because there will be less pollution. There will be more wildlife. There will be birds, and the sky will be blue because there won't be pollution. The air will be fresh because people will use bikes and they will walk. Thank you for listening to my presentation. There you go. Gambarnya dipakai, ditunjuk. Bahkan kalau pakai gambar, kalian bisa mengulang kata-kata. Tadi Miss Tati di awal udah bilang tentang sepeda. Di akhir ngulang lagi tentang sepeda. It's okay, no problem. Okay? That's the first thing that I need to address. You didn't use your picture. Sayang, gambar kalian udah dibuat bagus-bagus, udah dibuat lama-lama, tapi nggak ada yang ditunjuk-tunjuk, nggak ada yang dipakai. Dari awal Miss Tati udah ingetin supaya gambarnya dipakai. The second one, like I said, most of you speak like you are reading. Kebanyakan baca. Jadi kadang-kadang kalimatnya nyambung. My eco town will have wide and long bike paths because bike make no noise with good and clean sidewalks. Kalau ada titik, berhenti dulu. Nafas dulu kalian. Oke? Jadi kalau kalian bikin kalimat, ada titik, fungsinya titik itu untuk bernafas. Jangan langsung dihajar aja. My eco town will have wide and long bike paths because bike make no noise with good and clean sidewalks. Tarik nafas. 1 atau 2 detik. With good and clean sidewalks, blah, blah, blah. Okay. And then the third one, masih banyak pengucapan kata-kata yang kurang betul. Yang betul wind turbines atau wind turbines ya?
Wind turbine.
Wind turbines. Selo said wind turbines. Labiba said wine. Keisha said wine. Aulia said wine. Even Aira said wine too, if I'm mistaken. So it's wind, angin, wind turbines. Okay. To close this, by the way, attention, not attention. Selo said attention. What? Attentions. Selo, attention. Okay. Also, mind your questions. It's questions, not question. Okay, questions. There you go. Jadi kata-katanya masih harus lebih diperhatikan. But like solar panels, buildingsnya udah bagus, semua bilangnya buildings, nggak ada yang bilang buildings, so that was good. Also, nobody said sidewalks pakai L, that's good. You practice what you learned the last session. What else do I want to? Oh yeah. When you don't have any questions, you can also say no instead of waiting just hening aja. Do you have any questions? Aira, Keisha, Aulia, Labiba, Selo. Okay. No, thank you. You can say something like that, okay? Jadi waktunya bisa lebih cepat. Okay, so that's it for our presentation. Tati harap kalian yang presentasinya kali ini masih tergagap-gagap atau masih belum lancar, kalau ada waktu presentasi lagi ke depannya bisa lebih lancar. Gimana caranya ngelancarin? Latihan. Oke. Dikasih waktu 4 menit, dicoba. Apakah skrip saya, apakah naskah saya bisa untuk 4 menit? Apakah kecepatan? Kalau kecepatan, tambah lagi materinya. Kalau terlalu kebanyakan atau kelebihan waktunya, kurangi materinya. Oke. Jadi presentasi itu nggak harus, ya pokoknya apa yang udah saya tulis ya udah itu, nggak bisa juga. Oke, apa yang harus latihan harus disesuaikan. Oke, so there you go. Do you have any questions?
No.
Thank you.
Keisha, Selo, Labiba?
No.
No.
No, nih baru lancar ditanyain do you have any questions, baru jawab semua. Jangan hanya diam kalau ditanya. Okay, if you don't have any questions, I hope you learn a lot from today's presentation. Harapannya Miss Teti kalian belajar banyak dari presentasi yang kalian lakukan hari ini. Okay, so thank you so much for practicing your presentation skills. Thank you for practicing your questioning skills. I'll see you again on Wednesday, inshallah. Okay, bye-bye. Good night, everyone.
Bye, Miss.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.